Bobedi bona bo bolela bo ile ba tobana le maemo a mabe a neng a susumetswa le ke semorabe empa ba bolokehile naheng ya Budapest, Hungary, mme ba tla kgutlela hae ka Labohlano.
We escaped on Saturday, which was the 26th.
No, Friday morning.
Yeah, early morning.
Friday,
we escaped,
early morning.
which
Yes.
took us 4 days to travel. 4 days. Even the traveling alone was a problem. Trains were 24 hours. Trains were heavily crowded.
We had no money. We had to hustle for money to try and get taxis to get to the border.
Even taking a taxi was very risky because cars
risky.
are a target.
Very, very risky.
Lenqosa la Russia le re Ukraine e hlasetswe ho thibela ditshoso tsa nuclear.
Странам необходимо отказаться от создания военных.
Dinaha tsa bophirima ha di a lokela ho ba le diahelo tsa sesole dinaheng tsa mehleng tsa Soviet. Ukraine e ntse e na le technology ya Soviet mme re ka se hlolehe ho arabela.
Военной деятельности.
Mopresidente wa Ukraine o re Russia e maikemisetsong a ho hlakola nalane ya Ukraine.
They don't know a thing about our capital.
Ha ba tsebe letho ka nalane ya rona, ba batla ho hlakola naha ena ya habo rona.
Erase our country.
Russia e tobane le dikotlo qobello mahlakore ka bongata empa China e re e tla tswela pele ho hwebisana le yona.
South Africa is of the view that this armed conflict, like all others, will result in unnecessary human suffering and destruction.
As the National Freedom Party, we are concerned and in fact gravely worried about the impact of this raging war on citizens.
It's simply unacceptable in modern times that we have an invasion of an independent, sovereign democracy by another power.
The ACDP is very concerned about what appears to be Russia's unprovoked invasion of Ukraine.
The Freedom Front Plus appeals to the government to do everything and as quick as possible to assist those people to return to South Africa.
Lefatshe le ipiletsa hore ho be le kgutso Ukraine.